Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So during this video I will use the AppSeed platform, to generate a full stack product on top of what super popular design from coded teams, Datta. For newcomers, AppSeed is a platform that uses in-house developed automation tools to transform lifeless and um, pixel perfect UI kits provided by well-known agencies into full stack web application enhanced with basic modules, authentication, and deployment scripts. Let's see how it goes for this design. So once the design is selected from the React generator page, the next step is to choose the backend server. You can choose between Django, Flask. Soon we will integrate Laravel and Fast API. But for now, I will use Node.js because it's super popular. In the next step, you can customize the project and select the persistence for your project between SQLite, Mongo, and MySQL, and also the deployment layer in case you want to Docker scripts to be injected into the project or not. I will use the defaults here and move forward. Before you confirm the action, you can see a demo link from a similar project. You can see how your generated project will look like, the interface, and all the stuff. In case you like it, you can just move forward and generate the product. Let's do that and see how it goes. The process, once the server accepts the request, because might be overloaded from time to time. We are generating many projects. If the request is accepted, the whole process should not take more than 1 or 2 minutes. And the generated product is available in two flavors: the zipper check, which is available sooner, and sources are also uploaded to GitHub for later use. So we can see that this file was created 24 seconds ago, and the backend server keep uploading the files to GitHub, and we can see the progress here. Once the sources are available on GitHub, I will use git command line to download the product, and VsCode to open the project and build this full stack web application into my environment. The generated product comes with two folders: the API folder and another folder for React. And it's quite important to mention that the product and in fact, all our full stack products are built using two-tier architecture, where the front end and the back end are decoupled. This is quite nice because and optimal in production, because you can update or change or switch the backend server from Flask to Node.js or to another technology without touching the UI. So this is the common pattern. It's recommended in when you code full stack products. And in order to use the product, we need to start a backend server which manages the authentication flow, like login, logout, and registration using JSON web tokens. And once we have the backend server up and running, we need to compile and start the React frontend and use the product. Let's see the progress. Okay, we have success here. At this moment, we can download the product and just use it. Okay, I will follow up the instruction. Okay, I will clone the sources. I hope the interface is visible. I have here the Node.js server and React UI. The UI and the backend server are configured to use the same port. So the React UI expects a backend server on port 5000. And also the API server is configured to start on the same port. So using the product should be requires no configuration at all, and you just need to follow up the instructions provided here in the README and use it. Okay, I will compile the and start the backend server. Okay, I will use this window for the backend. You can use also npm or yarn, but I prefer yarn because it's faster. It uses some local cache. npm can be used without any issues as well. Well, basically I was concatenating all the commands from here, so it was just I was changing the directory to the API server. I was installing the modules using the yarn command. This command refers to the database migration that creates all the necessary tables, and the yarn dev just starts the API server. At the same time, we can build the React UI. You have all the instructions here. As for the Node.js, I will concatenate the commands to speed up the build. Of course, I will use yarn, but feel free to use npm because it's basically the same thing. Okay, so the Node.js is setup is entirely successful. Now we just wait the React UI to compile and start. You can see here that the API server runs on port 5000. In case you want to change the ports, just go to the environment file. The port is here. Change the number, and also go to the React and do the same thing, because React UI expects to have a port on API server on port 5000. So just update the line in the configuration here. Update the port to be synchronized with the backend port. Okay, so now I will use a incognito window just to have a reset, browser reset regarding the local storage. Now we need to wait to and allow React to build the interface. Okay, so at this point the UI is up and running. By default, the application redirects the guest users to authenticate, and also please note that the application is not shipped with any default users. So in order to access the UI, we need to register a new user here. Let's say test at AppSeed.us, and password I use just super simple password. If the registration is successful, you are redirected to the authentication page. I will use the user credentials, password, and we are all set. So at this point, in less than 3 minutes, we've built a full stack web application powered by React in the front end and Node.js as the backend API. You can choose from many designs in case data able is not something that you you don't like the design, you can choose here from other UI kits. Soft dashboard is built by is provided by creative team, so it's super nice, has a super nice UI. um, Berry is based on Material UI. It's super popular, it's blazing fast. You can check here the UI has many pages. Of course, the authentication is provided out of the box. Another cool design is Horizon, which is the latest UI integrated into the generator. Looks super nice. Is built on top of Chakra. Has out of the box dark mode, a lot of widgets, an NFT page, data tables, profile page, RTL support. Let me activate the dark mode. So looks amazing in my opinion. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know how we can improve the generator, what modules we should add to the generator. Thanks for watching. I wish you all a super day, and see you all on our next video. Bye guys.